Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this very bronzy look. It's giving me bumblebee vibes, but that's okay. Today we're going to be doing a full face of nothing new. We're literally just going to be getting ready using makeup that you guys have seen a million times here on my channel. I really wanted to use the gold, like a yellow gold, and then I started going in with blacks and browns and it kind of turned into like a bumblebee vibe. This is literally what we got. But anyways guys, enough of the rambling. If you want to learn how to recreate this eye makeup look, or if you want to know the products on my skin, then let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start with primer. I'm gonna go ahead and take this hyaluronic acid primer by ColourPop. This is from the Pretty Fresh collection that just launched. I do have a review on this in case you're interested, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and work this into my skin. You guys, so yesterday I spent hours. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, then you guys know like everything I let you guys know on here already. But I painted my wall white, as you guys can see. I'm pretty sure the lighting is a little bit better as well, just because of the white wall. And then I changed the light bulbs. Well, 3 of them. I still need 1 of them, but I changed 3 of them to LED white, just because I was feeling like a little bit too yellow, and my videos were just, I wasn't liking them. I'm actually gonna go ahead and double prime, and I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to apply some of this only around my cheek area right here and around my nose, kind of smooth this area out. I don't know if you guys want to see what's in my hospital bag. I'm trying to get everything ready for like the hospital, Liam's stuff, as well as like my postpartum stuff. So I don't know if that's something that you guys would want to see, but let me know. I know I mainly focus my channel, you know, on makeup, but I also do let you guys know here and there like a couple of my personal things. So I don't know if that's something that you guys would want to see. Moving on to foundation, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix 2 foundations. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Medium to Full Coverage Foundation, which I do have a review already. It actually just went up not too long ago, and I've been really liking this. And I'm also going to mix a little bit of the Urban Cover SPF 50 by MAYBelline. This one right here by MAYBelline is actually like the ColourPop Hydrating Tinted Moisturizer. The difference is that obviously the MAYBelline one has SPF, and not only that, you guys, but it also has more coverage. This foundation here looks so high-end. I love this foundation, you guys. Like, it looks, it feels, it blends high-end. I'm just gonna go ahead and dot this all over my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend this foundation out. I feel like the day is getting so close for me to give birth, you guys. Alright guys, the foundation is blended. I really like the coverage and the finish. I feel like I got really nice full coverage. What do you guys think? To highlight underneath of my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and take this concealer right here. This is the Jeffree Star Concealer. I have mine in the shade C10, and I'm only going to highlight underneath of my eyes, just like this. I'm actually going to bring some on the bridge of my nose as well, on my forehead, why not, and also on my chin. Blend everything out with my sponge. So you guys know how I went to LA this past weekend. Well, we got into a car accident. I'm fine, the baby's fine. A couple of you guys were actually messaging me on social media, and I'm actually okay. The baby's okay too. I mean, I hope. It was just like the susto, you know? But we didn't call like the police, the ambulance, or anything like that. I do have a doctor's appointment on the 30th or the 28th. I think I have it on the 30th, so we'll see how everything is going. But I mean, the baby is still moving, so that's why I didn't, you know, get alerted or anything. But yeah, we got into a car accident, so I've been just like going back and forth with the insurance company. But the other lady from the vehicle is just being such an asshole, you guys. Like, she literally threatened us She wanted to hit me at the scene. Like, who wants to hit a pregnant girl? Like, come on. I just think some people are not okay, you know? Anyways, that's literally what I've been dealing with. But anyways, I was telling you guys how I'm getting everything ready for Liam. I asked you guys like towards the beginning of my pregnancy, like what I needed and stuff like that. And I didn't really write anything down, so now I feel like I've forgotten like everything. But I've gotten a couple of things, so hopefully I have what I need, you know? Now I'm gonna go ahead and cream contour. I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Stick Foundation in the shade F12. You guys have heard me talk about this. I don't even know how many times here on my channel. I love this. I'm also trying to like pre-film videos for you guys just so that if I do go into, you know, labor, I have a couple of videos pre-filmed while I get back into like the routine and stuff like that. I obviously don't know what it's going to be like having a newborn, you know, at home. I know it's obviously not going to be easy. So I really just want to be prepared and have a couple of videos for you guys. So that's literally where we're at. I'm thinking I kind of want to do like a Spanish makeup tutorial, like a get ready with me in Spanish. I think that would be cool. What do you guys think of that idea? I've seen it go around YouTube, and so I was like, I should film that. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything, and I'm going to go ahead and take the COLLAB Set the Stage Ultra Loose Powder. Lightly setting my entire face with this powder. This is a blurring powder, so it's just going to blur any imperfections, any pores, anything like that. For you guys, but I hate having foundation lips. Now I'm actually going to go into the Butter Bronzer. I do need a darker shade of this, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna use what I have. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin. Give my skin a little bit of warmth. I'm curious to know, do you guys do your face first or do you guys do your eyeshadow first? I'm gonna take my Luxie contour brush and I'm actually gonna go into this Morphe contour powder in the shade Debutante. Now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to take the Note blush in the shade Desert Rose. And this is pretty pigmented, so I'm just going to take a light hand, which that was pretty pigmented. I'm going to go ahead and take some of that COLLAB powder, and I'm going to go ahead and clean out my cheekbones here. Alright guys, so now I'm going to move on to the eyebrow gel by e.l.f. I'm gonna go ahead and set my brows in place. Okay, so before I move on, I'm gonna go ahead and set my skin with this ColourPop setting mist. This is the more hydrating one, and then right now I am gonna go into the mattifying one. I don't know if you guys are like me or not, but I love to mix things, you know, especially when it's like hydrating and then matte. I like to mix the two, I don't know. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow I'm actually gonna zoom you guys in just so you guys can see everything, you know, up close and personal. Alright guys, so I have no idea what look I'm gonna be doing, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and do something warm today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a Morphe M518 brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is a brown shade. This is the I Think I Love You palette by ColourPop. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take that shade and I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on my crease to act as a transition shade. I kind of want to make this smoky, but at the same time, I kind of don't. We'll see. Now I'm gonna go into a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to pick up the dark brown shade from the palette. And I'm going to concentrate this on the outer V of my eye. As always, I like to begin by packing the color, and then I'm going to go in and slowly blend it into my crease. You guys, so I was watching, or I wasn't watching, I was reading something on Twitter. I think it was like a pregnant YouTuber or something. And people were telling her not to get pedicures because I guess she could like go into labor faster or something like that. Let me know what you guys think about that, because I felt so stupid asking my doctor He was literally like, Tanya, you need to stop Googling things because I don't know where you come up with such questions. And I'm just like, I didn't say it like that, but he did tell me like, you need to stop Googling. Because I guess I worry myself for nothing. I guess that's what he was trying to say. I actually want a yellow shade to blend everything. So I'm gonna go into this palette and I'm going to pick up some of this yellow here to kind of blend the edges of the brown. Now I'm gonna go into another brush and I'm actually gonna pick up some of the black shade. Why not? I might regret this, but we'll see. I'm gonna begin to darken this area here. Once I have that color laid, now I'm gonna take my blending brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that outer V. Blend that black into the brown. I usually have like, you know, looks in mind that I wanna do. And then I feel like I always end up just playing around with makeup and I don't really do what I had planned, you know? Before I continue, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with some concealer. I'm just taking my concealer. I'm gonna begin by placing the concealer, looking up into my mirror, and wherever the line meets, that's where I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Just like that, and then I'm gonna go into my brush and kind of blend that outer V a little bit. First, I'm gonna pick up this yellow gold, and then I'm gonna pick up this one up here. Again, by packing. You know what? I'm actually just gonna take that one, because that one's pretty intense. Why am I just realizing that this is like a bumblebee look? Right? Doesn't it remind you of a bumblebee? I'm gonna pick up the other gold in the palette, and I'm gonna pop it right on top. For the lower lash line, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and pick up the transition shade that we started off with. And I'm going to begin by smudging it. I'm going to take a, I believe, M506. Yeah, M506. And I'm going to pick up some of the dark brown. And I'm going to begin by blending it on my lower lash line, smoking it out. I'm going to pick up some of the black shade in a flat definer brush and I'm going to go ahead and stamp it. But I'm only stamping it on the outer V. Like that, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out. Alright guys, while my lash glue dries, I'm going to go ahead and take the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. And I'm going to apply some to my top and my bottom lashes. Okay, so while that dries, we're gonna move on to inner corner highlight as well as a brow bone highlight. And I'm going to pick up a pencil brush and I'm gonna pick up the shade Pearl. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pop it on my brow bone. Do you guys see that? So freaking pretty. I'm going to take some and pop it right here. Now we're going to move on to liquid lipstick and I'm going to go ahead and take the LA Girl lip liner in the shade Café. For liquid lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and take the I Love Sarai and ColourPop in Sueño de Coco. And to finish off the look, I'm going to go ahead and take this highlighter here. You guys already know, my favorite one. I'm gonna go ahead and take some and apply some on my cheeks. Alright guys, and before we move on, I'm gonna go ahead and set my skin. I'm gonna take the MAYBelline Lasting Fix up to 16-hour wear spray. I've been really liking this and I actually got this from my friend Taisha here on YouTube. She was like raving about it and I've been trying it out for a couple of days and I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my skin. I did notice a difference between this setting spray and other ones that I've tried that are like supposed to be long lasting. This one, it doesn't accentuate my pore area, it doesn't crack me or anything like that, but it does mattify my skin. Notice that my makeup lasted a really long time with this. first I like to apply this one as you guys saw in the video, and then I like to go in with this one to kind of lock everything in place. I feel like it does such a beautiful job at making your makeup last long. Alright guys, and this is the finished and completed look. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup look down below in the comment section. I like it. It's definitely up my alley just because it's something very warm, but still sexy because we have the dark brown and the black going on. But it does remind me of like a bumblebee, so I don't know how I feel about that, like 100, you know? Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like my get ready with me's. If you have any requests and videos, don't forget to leave them in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on that post notification bell so YouTube will alert you when I do upload a video, which is 3 times a week, every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys.